Next one, Netflix. This was the trade idea for the trade idea for the week here. Netflix, we positioned on this on Friday. This is what we saw. This was the pennant that we saw with an inside candle here on Netflix, and once and we were in swings. And once it broke 665, it absolutely ravaged to our next price target at 675. We sold most of our position 100% plus, and then we rolled into 700 calls a few weeks out. Nice volume also on the break, so I am expecting some kind of a continuation. Once 675 breaks, we see 690 here on Netflix, so keep an eye out for those two levels. Nice bull pennant breakout, and it is absolutely bullish on Netflix.